Today, I will discuss about the previous year question paper Industrial Automation for the year of 2018. Okay. Here, Group A, question 1 dash is a part of human temperature control system. Here, the perspiration system is the right answer. For question 1, option B is right. Question 2. Dash is a closed loop system. Here in option A, autopilot for an aircraft. Here autopilot for an aircraft is a closed loop system. Okay. Question 3. Which of the following directly converts temperature into voltage? The thermocouple is the right answer. So question number 3, option A is right. Question 4. Which among the following controls the speed of DC motor? Here, tachometer is the right answer. Tachometer controls the speed of DC motor. Okay. But sometimes confusion is that tacho generator. Okay. Tacho generator is the device which measures the speed of motor. Okay. But in these options, tachometer is given. Okay. Tacho generator is a device which measures the speed of motor. Okay, but in the option tacho generator is given, so that the all of the options here only tachometer is the correct. Okay, which controls the speed of motor. So question number 4, the right answer option D. Question 5. In an automatic control system, which of the following elements is not used? Here oscillators. Okay, oscillators are not used in automatic control system. So question 5, option number D is right. Question 6. Which of the following can be measured by the usage of tacho generator? Okay, here this question is given. Tacho generator. Tacho generators measures the speed. Okay, so the right answer option B for question 6. Question 7. A good control system has all the following features except. Here, good stability, slow response, good accuracy, sufficient power handling capacity. In these all options, only slow response is not correct. Okay. So for good control system, slow response not acceptable. Okay. So the right answer option number B. Question 8. Which of the following system provides excellent transient and steady state response? Here, proportional integral derivative actions is the right answer for the excellent transient and steady state response. So, option number D is correct. Question 9. If a finite number of blocks are connected in series or cascade, then how the blocks are combined algebraically? Okay, this is the question from block diagram reduction technique rules 1. So the here multiplication is correct. There are number of blocks connected in series or cascade, so the final blocks is the multiplication of individual blocks or particular blocks. So the question number 9, right answer option B. Okay. Question 10. In PD controller, the derivative action plays a significant role in increasing dash of response. Here, the right answer is speed. Okay. Speed increases in the PD control derivative actions. Okay. So option number C is right. Question 11. In addition to a storage instruction, PLC controls. Here the all of the above options are correct, which is logic, sequence, timing, counting, arithmetic operations. Okay, here in PLC, that means programmable logic controller, the addition to a store instruction, that means some information or some programs are stored where logic, sequence, timing, counting and arithmetic operations are done by the PLC. So question 11 option D is correct. Question 12. At summing point more than one signal can be added or subtracted. Here option A is correct, subtracted. This is the basic theory from summing point or takeoff point. Okay, here summing point is given. At summing point more than one signals can be added or subtracted. Okay, so plus minus sign has been given. Okay, question number 13. With feedback dash increases. Here system stability increases for using feedback signal. Okay, so question number 13 option A is correct. Okay. Okay. Question 14. Most common use of the synchros is as. Here error detector is the correct answer because synchros transmitter or receiver both has been types. Okay. This is the common features for synchros error detecting. Okay. Synchros is a device which transforms the angular position of the shaft into an electrical signal. Okay. The error occurs in the system because of the misalignment of the shaft. So here option B, transmission of angular data. Here this is not correct because here not transmission occurs. Here transform the angular position. Okay, or angular data you mean say. Okay, you could say transform the angular position of the shaft into an electrical signal. Okay, so this is not correct. Option B. Okay, here error detector are the is the right answer. Okay, for question 14 option A is correct. Question 15. A smallest change with a sensor can detect is the resolution. Okay, resolution is the smallest change which can detect by the sensor. Okay, for question 15 option A is correct. Question 16. Which of the following is correct for tactile sensors? Okay, tactile sensors means touch sensitivity. Okay, here touch sensitive is the right answer, option number A. Okay, tactile sensor touch sensitivity or touch sensitive property exists. Okay, question 17. The dash is moved towards the relay electromagnet when it is on. Here armature is correct. The armature is moved towards the relay electromagnet when it is on. Okay, question 18. Ladder logic programmable in PLC consists of. Here the virtual relay contacts and coils is the correct answer. Okay, for question 18 option D is correct. Okay, question 19. The output signal is fed back at the input side from the dash point. Here takeoff point is the correct answer. Here in this question fed back is written. Okay, here not it is feedback. Here fed back. Okay, the output signal is fed back at the point side from the dash point. Here from is mentioned because takeoff point initiated from that point. Okay, some times I have drawn this figure. Here suppose that this is C, this is R means reference input, C means output. Okay, here this is the takeoff point, this is the takeoff point, here feedback, or this is here the summing point. Okay, at summing point plus minus sign has been given because by positive and negative feedback. Okay, here GS, this is transfer function or gain. Here HS means here feedback signal. Okay, but here in this question from point given, that means from means takeoff point. Here the output signal is fed back, that means their output is C, fed back, return. Fed back means fed returns at the input from the dash point. From means here the point initiated. Okay, or started, that means here the point This is known as takeoff point. Okay, sometimes a student option summing point correct answer. Sometimes students considered summing point, but summing point is the final point where the output is given through the sensor, that means sense feedback. Okay, so the right answer takeoff point. Okay, question 20, error or actuating signal is generated in closed loop control system. Okay, so the correct answer option B for question number 20. Okay, in this question I have completed all the options, okay, which are correct. Okay, thank you watching for this video.